welcome back to Healthy Human Fitness. Today's challenge, we're gonna do these little lunge press backs, okay? So get your bands on, your G-Fit bands. If you don't have these, hopefully you have them by now, but if you're just jumping on, that's okay. Just get your bands in the description below. There's a link to purchase them. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got the band right above my knees, on my thighs. We're gonna press down, and then we just lunge back and step, and bring it in for just 50 on each side. Get that little runner stance. You can get the arms in motion, moving. Get the entire body working. You can add weights, little dumbbells if you want to. But I'm telling you, if you've got these bands, that's going to be enough. You will feel it. And you can change the resistance of the band because with your purchase, it comes in a little set with a bag, a little carry bag, and there's 4 different levels. So you have your heavy, you have your extra heavy, and then your medium and your light. Just breathe, keep it tight. You'll be feeling this in the standing leg as well as the moving leg all at the same time. And breathe. If you know where we are, the first person to comment and let me know will get a set of bands for free. So let me know in the comments below the video. And the first person who can tell me what's in the backdrop is a winner. Keep it going and freeze. Okay, catch your breath. We're gonna switch sides. So now we're going to the other side. Get it nice and strong, get stable, and we're gonna go into our little lunge. Abs are tight, press it back. And 50 right here, press it, go, go. Now if you can't keep up with this pace, lose your balance, then you just slow down, okay? So on my right side, I have injured my ankle several times, so my balance is a little bit more challenging than my left side. Sometimes I have to slow down because I don't want to compromise form. But you should feel it right here on the side of your booty and your thighs. And then of course you're getting some hamstring from that other leg. You should feel it in your quads as well. And then you bring in that little runner's movement with your arms. Add those dumbbells if you'd like to. I'm just looking down to check my form, but I want you to keep your neck stable. Keep it neutral. We're almost there, you guys. This is the challenge. 1 exercise, 50 on each leg. Almost there. Come on. Stay in. Don't give up. You're not a quitter. 4, 3, and finish. I think. All right. Hopefully I wasn't off count there, but don't worry about it. 50 and 50. You completed the challenge for a total of 100. I'm super proud of you, and I'll see you for tomorrow's challenge. Mwah!